Good to see you. So today we're going to work on something which is going to help invigorate the kidneys. I'm going to start facing this way so you can see better what I'm doing. So we're going to start with our inhale. We're going to inhale and rub the kidneys at the same time. And on the exhale, coming down the back of the legs. Now inhaling, coming up, so it's a pretty big inhale or a long inhale. And then hands floating down on the exhale, feeling the weight shifting into the feet. Back to the kidneys, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Coming all the way back up. And exhale. I'm going to turn back towards the camera. So inhaling, connecting to the kidneys, exhaling. So you're really sinking down into the feet. Inhaling, exhaling. So when we're doing that big inhale coming up, I like to say it's like sipping your breath. So you're sipping your inhale, taking very delicate sips as you bring the breath in and exhale down, feeling that weight shifting down into the feet. I'm going to do 2 more of these. Beautiful. Now the hands just coming around and down, heavy elbows. One more time. Light hands, inhale. Heavy elbows, exhale. Very nice. It's good to see you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.